If you are the one who wants to create your YouTube Kids profile with the help of this yt.be/activate code, then this video is for you. Today I will gonna tell you how to create your child profile. So watch video till the end. So let's get started. Now you have to open the Google Chrome on your Android phone or an iPhone. So let me show you how to do that. So now here you can see that there is a Chrome app. You just need to click on that. And now you have to type as it is, which is showing on your smart TV, which is yt.be/activate. Now click on that. So now after that, you have to click on that YouTube activate button. Now you have to enter the 10-digit code, which will show you inside the smart TV under the yt.be/activate, as you can see that. Let me show you. So this is the 10-digit code. So let me tell you that this code is valid for limited time and it sometimes changes according to the smart TV or the if it is sometime not connected properly on your smart TV. So you have to carefully enter that code and press the continue button. So let me show you how. Now you have to type that code as it is showing. Now I have entered the 10-digit code. After that, you have to click on continue button. Once you click on it, it will ask for you the email ID which you have to create your account under it. Or you have to select the email ID which you have already created your child account under it. So click on that email ID. Now once you click on it, it will ask for the connect. As you can see that. Now click on connect. Now once you click on connect, it will automatically get login on your smart TV and in your mobile too. As you can see that mobile has been successfully get connected and you can see that profile is been showing on your smart TV. So if you don't know how to create your child account, then you can watch the video in I button and follow the process and watch the video in detail to create your child account. If you don't know, then let me tell you how to do that. So first of all, you have to click on OK. And after that, you have to create your account on your mobile. So let me show you that. Now in the family center, as you can see that there is an option to click on add a kid account. So you have to tap on it. Now here you have to select the name or you have to mention any name which you want to enter in it. Now you have to click on next. Now you have to select any random age. After that, you have to click on next. Now you have to scroll down and select all the option. Now click on I agree. Now after that, you have to choose any one of the option like as from preschool, younger or older. So let me select the preschool. Now click on continue. As you can see that you are reached to almost done. Now click on continue again. Now done. As you can see there, the fresh account is already being created on the mobile. Now let me explore that. So here are the options. You can by default check according to your preferences. Let me just show you about it. So here is the one option which is what they can watch. So click on that. Here is some settings like content setting. Here you have to select the age and the school level which you have already filtered according to the creation of the account like as preschool, younger and older. Now move back. Another option which is hide autoplay. If you want to hide the autoplay which your child automatically watch the video continuously. If you want to turn it off, then you can click on. Now another option which is unblock videos. If sometime you block any video and forget that the video was blocked in past, so here you can find all the list of the blocked videos and you can unblock it. Otherwise leave as it is. Now move back to another option. Here is important setting which is privacy setting. Click on that. So here is another option which is privacy settings and under it you can watch that pause history. If you want to pause any watch history and you don't want to allow your child to watch any content after that, then you can click on pause. So it will not allow that. Now another option which is pause history. If you don't want to allow your kid to not to search anything on YouTube, then you can turn it on. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. Now another option which is clear history. So if you want to delete any past history or present history, then you can click on delete and it will automatically get deleted. So these are the options available in the profile. Now let me show you on the smart TV. Now let me show you the profile which I have created right now. You just need to now click on OK. As you can see the profile which I have just created. So now you just need to click on that profile to log in. As you can see that it has successfully get login and welcome is showing on the smart TV. Now it is automatically login on your smart TV. So here are some options. Let me explore these options. Now there is an option under the profile which is search. So your child can search anything if you don't allow any restrictions. So he can watch any game, any video, anything music, or he can use the press to talk button and speak it and search according to his taste. So now another option which is home. So here are the by default option which is showing like art and culture, shows and music, learning, explore. So these are the option according to the taste your child can use it. Now here is another option which is subscription. If you have purchased any subscription for your child, then their list will be shown in this under it. And after that, go to the privacy. So here are the privacy notice. So you can read it. So now move to another option which is setting. So click on that. Now here is an option which is manage setting. So if you want to manage something about your child setting, you can go to and visit the families.youtube.com through the website or through the kids app. So whatever the setting you want to do it, then you can do under it. Now move to another option which is parental guide. If you want to do some changes, then you can visit to support.google.com/YouTube kids. So here it will help you to do whatever you want to update anything. So now there is another option which is terms of services. You can visit the link and read it in detail. And the last option which is if you want to share some feedback, you can send it from there. So if you want to log out your profile of your child, then you can simply click on that profile. Now move to the profile and click on setting, or you can click on exit YouTube. Here your profile will automatically get log out. If you simply want to log out your main email ID which you have created your child account under it, so you have to go to that profile like that, click on the setting, and now you have to click on remove account. So let me tell you that there is nothing any option to sign out or log out. You just need to simply click on remove account and it will automatically vanish your all the account from the smart TV. And after that you can again log in same way. So click on remove account. Now click on next. Now click on remove account. And if you want to simply add account, you have to click on that and follow the same process as it is as said in the beginning. I hope this video helped you a lot. I keep posting this type of videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.